Where can I report a lack of overtime pay? Breaking news for workers everywhere. If you suspect your employer has not compensated you for overtime hours worked, you are not alone. This issue is trending right now as more employees are becoming aware of their rights. Many are asking, where can I report a lack of overtime pay? Let's break down the steps you can take to address this important concern. First, you should reach out to your state labor department or wage and hour division. Most states have agencies dedicated to enforcing wage laws, including overtime pay. For instance, in Washington state, you can file a complaint with the Department of Labor and Industries for unpaid overtime, even if those hours were not approved by your employer. It is essential to check your state's labor agency website for specific processes and forms. Next, if your situation involves federal overtime violations, you can file a complaint with the United States Department of Labor's Wage and Hour Division. This agency investigates claims of unpaid overtime under the Fair Labor Standards Act. They can enforce payment of back wages if your claim is validated. If these government agencies do not resolve your issue, consider consulting a labor and employment attorney. They can help you understand your rights and discuss the possibility of filing a private lawsuit against your employer for unpaid overtime. In some states, you may even be able to recover attorney fees if you win your case. It is also important to keep detailed records of the hours you worked and any communications you had with your employer regarding overtime pay. Remember that retaliation from an employer for reporting unpaid wages is illegal. Some states have specific regulations about on-call time, show-up pay, and other wage issues that could affect your overtime claims. In summary, the main places to report a lack of overtime pay are your state labor department or wage and hour division and the Federal Department of Labor. Seeking legal advice can be beneficial if these avenues do not resolve your claim. Stay informed and know your rights as an employee.